Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to discuss that if you have a Facebook page where you have multiple posts already posted but you want to start over again and you want to get rid of all the old posts like here, what I'll do is I'll go to the left corner and click on professional dashboard, and from here I'll go to the content. And if you see on the content, it's showing the post of only 90 days. But if the post is older than 90 days, then you need to scroll down from the professional dashboard. Just scroll down a little bit until you get to the Meta Business Suite. Just click on this Meta Business Suite option. And here click on content again. And if you see here, you will find the option of not only last 90 days but lifetime as well. Just click on this lifetime option, and now we can see all the posts that I want to delete. You can also filter out different posts that if you want to, let's say, delete all the videos, all the photos, you can just filter out. Now just select all the posts that you want to delete, and once you have selected this, you can see the window on the top right corner, and here you will find this 3 dots which says delete post. Just click on that and you can see that the posts are now deleted. So similar process for all the posts. Just filter out by the desired type. If you are trying to delete a particular post and you are not able to delete it, maybe that's because that picture is already set as a cover photo or a thumbnail. So just try changing that and try to remove after that, and it should work fine.
So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.